Bye, Gidget. Be a good doggy.
Hey, Max.
Hey, Gidget.
Any plans today?
Yes, big stuff today, Gidget. I got big plans. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna wait for Katie to come back.
Oh, that sounds exciting. Well, I won't interrupt. I've got a very busy day, too.
Here you go. See you later, Chloe.
Bye, Peppy. So long, Mel.
Bye, sweet pea.
See you, Gino.
So long, pal.
I'll miss you, Shelly.
Later, Runty.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
You be a good boy, Leonard.